Okay, good evening. So today we are going to learn about articles. So we were completed parts of speech in the last classes. So now we are going to learn about articles. So what is article and how many articles and what are the articles? So we learn here. So right, okay, what is article? So what is article? So you know, in the previous class we learned about parts of speech. So we learned about parts of speech. So there we learned about adjective. There we learned about adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective is a describing word. So it describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. So that means it tell us more about noun or pronoun in a sentence. So here, so articles article is an adjective. So you know, adjective is, it is a describing word. So it describes a quality of noun, quantity of noun or pronoun. So colors of noun or pronoun,
Good
it
morning, sir.
denotes good evening. So it denotes ordinals, it denotes ordinals of noun or pronoun. So here, so articles, so in English, a, or, a, an and the are called articles. So a, an and the are called articles. So here articles means an article. An article is an adjective. So already we know about adjective. So like adjectives, articles modify a noun. So already we know what is adjective. Adjective denotes qualities of noun. Adjective denotes quantities of noun. Adjective denotes colors. Adjective denotes ordinals, like this. So it tell us more about noun or pronoun in a sentence. So already we know. So right here, articles, words that define a noun as a specific and unspecific. So that is a particular and unparticular. So the words particular and unparticular. So you know, in English two types of articles. So in English there are two types of articles. So one is definite article, the second one is indefinite article. So one is definite article, the second one is indefinite article. So that is definite article, and then the second one is indefinite article. The second one is indefinite article. So what are the what is definite article? What are the indefinite articles? So you know, the is the is called definite article. The or the is called, you speak as the or the. So the is called definite article, and a and an are called indefinite articles. So what is definite and indefinite article? So definite article is, the is called definite article, a and an are called indefinite article, right? Okay. So in English, we know, in English already I told you. So in English, one alphabet. So how many alphabets in English? Only one alphabet in English. So what is alphabet? Alphabet is a set of 26 letters. So what are the 26 letters? A, B, C, D, like up to Z. So these are all called 26 letters. So in these letters, so it can be divided into two parts. So like consonant and vowels. Consonants, consonants and vowels. So you know A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, these five are called vowels. So these five are called vowels. These five are called vowels. So remaining these five are called 21 letters are called consonants. 21 letters are called consonants. So vowels are 5, consonants are 21. So vowels are 5 that are, so A, E, I, O, U. The remaining of A, E, I, O, U, the remaining of A, E, I, O, U, I mean B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 are called consonant. These 21 are called consonant. A, E, I, O, U. These five are called vowels. These five are called vowels. So in this topic, so it is mostly important is, I mean indefinite article depends upon sounds. What's that sounds? So we know 21 letters and 5 21 consonant letters, 5 vowel letters. So these 26, these all 26 letters give 44 sounds. These all 26 letters give us 44 sounds. So here, I mean in Telugu, ఆ నుండి అమ్మహ వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వాటిని ఏమంటామంటే వోవెల్స్ అని అంటాం. సో కా నుండి రా వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వాటిని ఏమంటామంటే కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అని అంటాం. సో యాజ్ ద సేమ్ వోవెల్ ఆ నుండి అమ్మహ వరకు వచ్చేటువంటి శబ్దం, ఆ శబ్దం ఆ, ఈ, ఊ, ఏ ఇట్లా ఈ శబ్దాలని ఏమంటామంటే వోవెల్ సౌండ్స్ అని అంటాం. సో అదేవిధంగా కా, గ, మ ఇట్లా రా వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వాటిని ఏమంటామంటే కాన్సోనెంట్ సౌండ్స్ అని అంటాం. సో కాన్సోనెంట్ సౌండ్స్ అని అంటాం. అంటే సో ఈ ఇండెఫినిట్ ఆర్టికల్ అనేది, సో దిస్ ఇండెఫినిట్ ఆర్టికల్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ consonant sounds and vowel sounds. It depends upon consonant sounds and vowel sounds. So indefinite articles, there are two, a and an. So when we use a, when we use an, so I mean, so a is used before consonant sound, a is used before consonant sound. So an is used before vowel sound. An is used before vowel sound. I mean A, E, I, O, U. These are letters of vowels. So the remaining five, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 letters are called consonant letters. So a B produce ba, that is a consonant sound. C produce cha, ka, like this. So that is a consonant sound. So these letters produce a different sounds. So that sounds are called consonant sounds. So vowel letters E, E, A, E, I, O, U. So these are all called vowel letters. It produces vowel sounds or consonant sounds. Sometimes consonant sounds also it produces. So right, okay. So we can identify vowel sounds by use of Telugu. So ఆ నుండి అమ్మహ వరకు, సో కా నుండి రా వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి శబ్దాలను ఏమంటామంటే కాన్సోనెంట్ సౌండ్స్ అని అంటాం, రైట్. సో the word, so when you a is used before consonant sound, An is used before vowel sound. So right. So you can see the examples of here. So you can see here. So that right. So you can see here. So cat, this is a word, a dog, boy, girl, house, tree. So you know articles define a noun as a specific or unspecific. Already we know what is noun. So already we know what is noun. Noun is a naming word. It tells the names of persons, places, things, rivers, oceans, etc. So already we know noun can be divided into two types. One is abstract noun, the second one is concrete noun. Again concrete noun subdivided into four types: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun. So you know what is abstract noun and what is concrete noun. So what is abstract noun? Abstract noun, these can be neither seen nor touched. That means we cannot see, we cannot touch. So that is called abstract noun. I mean abstract examples of abstract noun: air, freedom, beauty, slavery, goodness, so happy, love. These are all examples of abstract noun. Already we discussed about that. So in these topic, I mean articles, so it depends upon noun. So we use depends upon noun. So we do not use before abstract nouns. We do not use before abstract nouns. So we do not use before plural nouns. We do not use before plural nouns. So already we know countable and uncountable. We do not use uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, right? Okay. So these words are nouns. So I mean cat, dog, boy, girl, house, tree, these are all nouns. So I mean article used before nouns. So here cat, dog, boy, girl, house, tree, apple, engineer, ice cream, old man, umbrella. So these words like nouns. So the word cat begin with consonant sound. Ka, cat, ka. So consonant sound. That's why we can use a. So use a before consonant sounds. So here cat, the word cat begin with ka, that is a consonant sound. The word dog begin with da, that is a consonant sound. The word boy begin with ba, that is a consonant sound. The word girl begin with ga, ga is a consonant sound. The word house begin with ha, that is consonant sound. The word tree begin with ta, that is a consonant sound. I mean the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use before that. So a. So if the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an before the word. So right, apple, apple. So the word apple begin with vowel sound, so that's why we can use an. Engineer, the word engineer begin with vowel sound e, so that's why we can use an. Ice cream, so the word ice cream begin with vowel sound, that is I. So that is I. Old man, old man, old man, the word old man begin with vowel sound. So wo, it is a vowel sound. So the word umbrella begin with a vowel sound, that is vowel sound. So that's why we can use an. So an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. So if the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. if the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So you can write, you can identify where, I mean what we use these 10 words. So I mean fill the gap with a or an, I mean fill the blanks with indefinite articles, indefinite articles, right? So what are the indefinite articles? I told you. So a and an are called indefinite article, the is called definite article. So a, we can speak a or a, we can speak an or an. So right, so first you speak these 10 words. Number 1 elephant, number 2 car, number 3 teacher, number 4 onion, number 5 pen, number 6 interesting story, number 7 university, number 8 European tour, number 9 hour, number 10 MA in English. So these words, so begin with which sound? So the word elephant begin with which sound? Elephant. A, it is a vowel sound. So that's why we can use an. That's why we can use an. So an elephant, we can fill this gap. I mean we can fill this blank an elephant. So the second word car. So the word car begin with consonant sound. Ka is a consonant sound. So that's why we can use, so of this gap, so in this gap, so what we use in this gap? A car. So teacher, teacher. So ta, it is a consonant sound, then we can use a. Onion, the fourth one onion, onion, the word onion begin with vowel letter, that's why we can use an onion. So fifth one, the word pen, it begin with consonant sound, so that's why we can use a pen. So number 6 interesting story, interesting story. So the word interesting story begin with vowel sound, so that's why we can use an. So university, the word, I mean the seventh one, you can observe the seventh one, university. So the word begin with u letter, so that is a vowel letter, but it produce consonant word university. Yeah, it is a consonant sound. So yeah is a consonant sound, that's why we can use a. So seventh one, observe the seventh one, university, in the begin with u, u is a vowel letter, but the sound is produced, the sound is it produce u, university, u, yeah. So that means yeah. So yeah, it is a consonant sound, that's why we can use a university. Next eighth one, you can observe eighth one also, European. So the word European begin with e letter, but the word European to begin with consonant sound, European, u, that is a consonant sound, that's why we can use an, a. Next the ninth one, hour, observe this word also. So hour, it is a h silent, I mean it begin with h word. So h is a consonant letter, sorry, it begin with h letter, but the word hour, it begin with vowel sound, so here the word hour, in the word hour, h is a silent letter, so that's why the word hour pronounced hour, so begin with the vowel sound, so that's why we can write in this blank an hour, an hour. So the 10th one is also observe. So the word ma in English. So m it is a letter of consonant letter, but it produce vowel sound. M is a consonant letter. M is a consonant letter, but it produce vowel sound. But it produce vowel sound. How we pronounce that? A, begin with a. M, M, M. It begin with a. So a, it is a vowel sound. A, M, 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 M. So M, A, it begin with A. So that's why we can use an MA English. MA in English. I mean, M is a consonant letter, but it produce vowel sound. So it produce vowel sound. That's why we can use an MA in English. That's why we can use an MA in English. So next one. Right. So here the answers. So you know already I told you countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So elephant, it is a counted. Car, it is a counted. Teacher is a counted. Interesting story, that is also counted. So university counted. Pen counted. European tour, that is also counted. Hour, that is a counted. MA in English, that is also counted. So if the word countable noun, then we can use articles. Then we can use articles, that means indefinite articles. So if the word uncountable nouns, if the word uncountable nouns, then we do not use, articles. So I mean, if the word uncountable noun, then we do not use articles. You here, so water, sugar, coffee, milk, love, anger, knowledge, beauty, darkness, these are all uncountable nouns. So if you think about it, you can't say for water I want to give for water, you don't say like that. So you say I want I want a glass of water, please give me a glass of water, just we can ask like that. So but we don't say for water, so that is a uncountable thing. I want a for sugar, that is a uncountable, so that we cannot say I want a 4 sugar, I want a 4 water, I want a 6 love. So that is not a correct. So that is we cannot say I want 4 water, I want 6 love. That is we cannot say. So that's why that is uncountable noun. So if the word is uncountable noun, then we do not use articles. Next, so you can identify the mistakes, I mean you can identify the errors of these 10 words. So of these 10 words, so what is that? So identify of these 10 words. So I mean it is a mistakes before articles. I mean the words used before, so the nouns used before articles, but it mistakes. So we can identify what is that mistake, why is that mistake, right? So the 10 words, I can read it. So a cell phone, an easy question, an orange shirts, a, a pretty woman, a happiness, a water, a table, an idea, a doctor's, an advice. So you can identify the errors, you think about what is a mistake in these 10 words. So already I told you we do not use uncountable nouns, article, I mean a or an. We do not use a or an before uncountable nouns. We do not use a or an before plural nouns. We do not use a or an before abstract nouns. Then you can identify what are the mistakes in these 10 words. So guess it or think it. Okay, right. So the first one, a cell phone. So it is a counted noun. So that's why a cell phone, the word cell phone begin with consonant sound. So that's why it's a correct. So the number one is right. So cell phone, it begin with consonant sound. So that's why we can use a. Next, second one, an easy question. So easy question, it is a counted noun. So easy question, the word easy question begin with vowel sound. The word easy, that is a vowel. So easy question, so that is begin with a vowel sound. So the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So the second one is also correct. Next, the third one, an orange shirt. An orange shirts. So the word orange shirts, so the word orange shirts begin with vowel sounds. So begin with vowel letter also, but orange shirts, it is a plural noun. Shirt is a singular, shirts is a plural. So orange shirts is a plural, orange shirt is a singular. So already I told you, we do not use a or an before plural nouns, before abstract nouns, before uncountable nouns. We do not use a or an before uncountable nouns, before plural nouns, before abstract nouns. So the third one, an orange shirts, that is a plural noun. That's why that is mistake, that is wrong. So we do not use a or an. Next, the fourth one, a pretty woman. So it is a countable noun. So a pretty woman, it is the word begin with consonant sound. That's why we can use a. That is also correct. Next, the fifth one, a happiness. It is a wrong, it is mistake, it is error. So a happiness, so happiness is a noun, but we cannot see, we cannot touch, so that is a abstract noun. So that is wrong, a happiness. So that is wrong because happiness is a uncountable noun. So again, a or an cannot be used there. Next, sixth one, a water. So again, it is also uncountable noun. So that is wrong. So it is a water, it is a uncountable noun. So that's why we do not use a or an. Next, seventh one, table. That is a table is a countable noun. It can counted. So it can be counted. So table, the word table begin with consonant. Letter. So that's why we can use a. Next, idea. So it is a counted idea. So I have an idea, అంటే నాకు ఒక ఆలోచన వచ్చింది అంటాం కదా. సో అట్లా, సో నాకు ఒక ఆలోచన వచ్చింది అని ఇట్లా మాట్లాడతాం కదా, ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఐడియా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ an idea. idea, the word idea begin with vowel sound. So that then the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. Next, ninth one. A doctor's, it is wrong. A doctor's, it is wrong. So how could I say it is wrong? Doctor. It is, a doctor is correct. A doctor's is wrong. Why? Because a doctor is a singular. A doctors. S form వచ్చింది. So doctors, that is a plural noun. So already I told you, if the word plural noun, if the word abstract noun, if the word uncountable noun, then we do not use articles a or an. Next, so advise. So already I told you, advise is a uncountable noun, I mean abstract noun. So that's why that is a wrong. So you can identify the mistakes, the errors. So next, so again I tell you, so a, an and the, so the means, that means one, I mean a means one, an means one, the means one. అంటే ఏ అన్న ఒకటి, యాన్ అన్న ఒకటే, ద అన్న ఒకటే అనేటువంటి అర్థం వస్తుంది అన్నమాట, ఒకటి అని అర్థం. సో రైట్. సో ఏ and an, these are all called indefinite article. So the is called definite article. సో ఈ ఆర్టికల్స్ అనేటువంటి వాటిని ఎప్పుడు ఉపయోగిస్తాం? సో నౌన్స్ ముందర ఆర్టికల్స్ అనేటువంటి దాన్ని ఉపయోగిస్తాం, రైట్. సో యూజ్ ఏ ఆర్ యాన్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ఎ పర్సన్ ఆర్ థింగ్, సో unknown to your listener. So a or an used to talk about a person or thing, unknown to your listener. So we don't know that person, then we can use I mean we talk about something, then we don't know about that, so then we can use a or an. So use the to talk about a person or thing, know to your listener. So if we know about thing or about person, then we can use, if you know about talking about a person or thing, then we can use definite article the or the. So right, I can tell you one example. So my brother has two computers, a PC, that is a one computer, and a laptop, that is another computer. So the first one we don't know, we don't know, that is an unknown thing, that is a unknown things. So I mean that's why we can use a or an, right. A PC, that is begin with I mean the start with consonant sound, that's why we can use a. So I mean a, so a or a PC. And laptop, the word begin with consonant sound, that's why we can use a. So I mean a or an, use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to listener. So in this sentence we don't know about computers, our brother computers, we don't know our brother computers, I mean PC and laptop, we don't know. That's why if you don't know about the things, then we can use a or an. So I mean depend upon the sounds of words. So the word PC, it's begin with consonant sound, that's why we can use a. The word laptop, begin with consonant sound, that's why we can use a. Next, the PC is quite old but the laptop is brand new. So that means, I mean here the first one unknown thing, then the second sentence already we know about that thing. So that's why we can use definite article. So I mean, so my brother has two computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old but the laptop is brand new. So I mean, I say a PC and a laptop because that's the first time mentioned the two computers, that the first time mentioned the two computers. That's 2 points. They are unknown things. They are unknown things. They are unknown things to you
On the
I
head.
mean the listeners. So but now I can say the PC, I mean the second sentence, the PC is quite old and the laptop is brand new. When I say the PC, you know, when I say the PC, you know which one I am talking about. My brother's PC. So which one I am talking about? My brother's PC. You know already that thing. You know already that thing. So you, if you know, then we can use definite article, that means the. I say the PC, you know which one I am talking about, that the PC. So about my brother's PC. So and the same goes for the laptop. I mean, so the PC and the laptop now known to you. So I mean, the first sentence we don't know. The first sentence we don't know about that thing. That is the first time mentioned. So the first time mentioned a PC, a laptop. So that's why we can use indefinite article a or an. So then the second sentence, so already we know about that. So that, I mean, what I am talking about, the thing. So that is already you know about. So that's why we can use a definite article the. We can use definite article the. So right. So read your textbook and find nouns. So then you pronounce, so you pronounce loudly, and you can identify the word begin with consonant or vowel. Then if the word begin with consonant sound, then you can write a or a. So the, if the word begin with vowel sound, then you can use an. So write an example, more examples of these indefinite article. So I will I will teach you definite article next class. I have another class, so at 6 o'clock. So I would like to stop here. So thank you all of you. All of you, thank you. I I have